Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is a really simple sweet made pretty much with two ingredients that mimics a Bengali sweet that I grew up with, a Mishti. So if you like the sound of this, I'll show you how to do it. Please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe button, tell all your friends about me so you can support my work and help my channel grow. And if that sounds good, let's get cracking. First thing to do here is to warm about a tablespoon of ghee and then pop in a small handful of raisins in it to soak. That's going to rehydrate the raisins but also give them this lovely flavor. Then we pop 2 tubs of ricotta. They're roughly about 250 grams each. And then sugar to your taste. So I've used about 2 tablespoons of dark brown muscovado sugar. You can use jaggery and up to 4 tablespoons, 5 tablespoons. Literally just taste it, see if it's sweet enough to your liking, and then add the sugar to your taste. So yeah, I think I went for about 4 tablespoons in the end here, but then I do have a bit of a sweet tooth because Bengal is famous for its sweets and sweet teeth. So there you go. Now we're going to just mix that all together to get a smooth mixture. And at this point, it will not look like anything that resembles a little sweet treat, but bear with me. Lower the heat. You want it to be about kind of like a low medium, if that makes sense. You don't want the mixture to burn. You want to kind of warm it slowly. And this is not something you can rush. So it's perfect for the holiday season. Eventually, you'll get to something that looks like this. Takes about 20-25 minutes. It should be getting stuck on the sides of the pan and look impossible to move. Now, tip in about a half a teaspoon of crushed cardamom seeds. So you want to stir that together. We have added this later, so you benefit from the full fragrance of the cardamom seeds. Let that mixture cool so you can handle it, and then grease your palms with some ghee, so there'll be plenty left in the raisins. Grab a little tablespoon of the mixture. You could just do that with a spoon or do it with your hands if you're good at that sort of thing. Roll it between your palms, then flatten it to get a little disc and pop one of those ghee-soaked raisins in the middle, shaping it with your fingers. Now, there that goes. When that's done, kickstart the next one, and you're going to repeat that until all your dough is done. This is a great little project to do during the holiday season. Get your friends involved, get kids involved. It's really fun. You can all take it in turns to stir the actual mixture, and it's brilliant on its own after a quick fridge set or on a thali. Delicious moreish snacks, guys. Hope you enjoyed this. See you for the next one.